Let's continue building our app. In our last video, I just mentioned that we are going to continue this, right? So we need to use validate on the top, which we already did here, right? So we just need to validate things here. So I'll giving const validation equals uh, await validate. Alright, so this will be body rules and finally messages. Alright, so finally we need to check whether validation fails or not. If validation dot fails, we need to say a session message saying that it is an error message. In fact, we can say session with errors, right? So session with errors. I'm just going to say validation dot messages. Cool. If that is passing, we need to say we need to create the new user just by creating a new object. So const news equals await new news. Alright, so remember now news dot user id equals user dot id. This user is the current authenticated user coming from this. Alright, so now news dot title equals body dot title. News dot url equals body dot url. Finally, we need to news dot save method. You need to call the news dot save method. That should do. Now we can say session dot flash error success, not error, success news created successfully, and we can return redirect to response to redirect to slash home. That makes sense. Alright, so now we can able to create our new news. Remember, we migrated our database here. So if you go ahead and see, we have user ID title URL, and the user ID is coming from the authenticated user one, right? So this is how it should work. Now we can check our application here. Since we are not logged in, we should not able to go to home. Go. Now we can log in first. This is not my email ID, so I don't even know whether this URL exists or not, just for testing. You are logged in. Cool yourself now, and if I go to submit, title of your news should be what to say, mm, React Native is best. So the link of React Native is uh, React Native. Let's copy this link and we can paste this here. Submit. You are not logged in. Weird. There is some weird error happening here. Since we are logged in. I don't know why it says we are not logged in. That's really a funny thing. Since we are logged in here, something weird is happening. It should not go to login page. Go. Let's start from scratch. Let's check whether, yeah, we are having this one. So it is created, but I can't see what the error is. So let's recheck again. Let's go to routes.js. That post request is go to controller authenticated. So auth.js. Okay, auth.js should have this one. Fine, it is working. So I'm not sure whether this makes sense. So if you go ahead and check here, user ID 5 is working perfectly, but this is working like, I don't know. Let's go ahead and check again. Okay, submit. Okay, React is sub. Vue is my favorite. So Vue.js.org submit. It is going to logged in. So maybe there is something wrong in here, but so I can't say what's exact error in here. For now, let's change this. If let's check for it, so we can put inside const user equals await dot check if user await next. Let's do this way and check again, but still we are logged in here. I don't know what is pushing here to come. Let's log out here. So let's start from scratch. I love foods, or whatever. Click submit. Something weird is happening here. Let's check in routes. Somehow something is error in here. Let's check here. Do we missing anything here? Not exactly, but it is happening, right? So what exactly we need. Alright, so mm, something is happening here, so let's change this to a fine thing that we already did. So auth dot get user await next. So here we'll refresh again. Okay, first we'll start with logout and we'll change this. Right, so let's check this again. Oops. Click here and let's do submit. Oops, something is happening here. So I'll take a quick pause here and I'll check what exactly the problem is. If you can if you can able to figure out this error, feel free to do this, but I'll take a quick pause here and come in the next video to show that exactly what is happening here. Bye bye.